Now, Miggy will start writing letter V.
How do you write the V?
Start from here.
How do you write it? That's how you
Good job. Andy, it's your turn. It's your turn.
Si Bibi.
Oh, sit down. Sit down first. Good job. Okay. Here. Okay. Good job. Here. Give it to Martina. Give it to Martina. Give it to Martina. Where's Martina? Martina. Give it to Martina. Thank you. Okay. From the top. Okay. Go down and then up. Good job. Okay. Now give it to Kylie. Kylie, it's your turn. Kylie. Kylie. Okay, after this one, we will roll the dough, okay? So you have to make it fast. Up. Good job. Give it to Caitlin. Give it to Caitlin. From the top. Okay. Okay. Yes. We're done with the letters. You're sleepy na. Okay. Caitlin, come on. See, Kylie is helping you. Good job, Caitlin.
How do you write it? How do you write it?
Okay. Good job. Vivienne. And up. Okay, what letter is this again? This is letter V. Okay. And sound of letter V is okay. Good job. Now we will use our dough in making letters. Okay. Let's go time. Okay, this is for Vivienne. For Nikki. For Maka.
Okay.
For Martina. You're welcome. For Caitlin. Hello. Okay. Andy, here's your dough. And this is for Kylie. Okay. Ate, can I have dough? Okay. Ready to squeeze your dough? Look at teacher. Teacher is squeezing her dough like this. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze it. Good job. You like squeezing those. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze first. Squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, good job. Now, I want you to put it on your table like this, and then we will tap it. Tap, tap, tap it. Okay. Tap it. Tap some more. Good job, everybody. Gonna tap some more. Tap, tap some more. Good job. And ready to roll your dough. Okay. Roll your dough. Use your hands, both hands, and rolling your dough. Because we will make a long, long snake. Okay, roll it. Just like teacher, look. Look. Teacher already has a long snake here. Okay, I want you to make your dough and form it into a long. Yes, make it longer, Caitlin. Ready to roll? Okay. Roll, roll, roll your dough with me. Rolling, 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 roll your dough. smile with me. Okay. Good job. But I think you have to make it a little more longer. And now we will, when you're done, you will put it on your blue tray. Okay, this is for you. For Kylie. It's for me. Ate, W. We have W. Martinez for you. And for Andy. Okay. You will start from the smiling face. Good job, Caitlin. And then, okay. Okay.
Yes, please.
Good job.
No.
Good job.
Make sure that you go. Okay, I'll try to do.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Start from the smiling face. Good job, everybody.
You cut it there.
Okay. Now, ready to tap.